Hello! If you are new here, welcome. Today's technique is how to make homemade yogurt. There are three different methods. One, you can use leftover yogurt. The second one will be lemon juice. The third one, dried chili. To make homemade yogurt, total of 4 cups of milk, adding 1 cup of water. Stir it a little bit. I use a wooden spatula. This way, when the milk boils, it doesn't go over the pot. Right here, I'm using a stainless steel pot. First, we wanted to boil the milk. It will take 3 minutes. After that, we're gonna stir it constantly and cook the milk for another 5 minutes. Slowly, the steam is coming up. If the milk is not boiling fast enough, you can also put it on high flame. But then you have to constantly stir it. That way it doesn't stick at the bottom and burn any milk or cream. After 5 minutes, the milk boiled well and it's cooked. So we can turn off the flame and let it cool. To the first one, I'm going to add 2 red chili. The second, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or lime juice. The third cup, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of yogurt and stir it well. All this should turn to yogurt. So these are the 3 methods where you can make homemade yogurt. The chili one will take longer with the lemon juice already turned into yogurt. Summer day, it's gonna take only 2 hours for the yogurt mix. Milk will turn to yogurt. After 4 hours, we were able to have the yogurt ready. Let's taste it and see how it is. It tastes just like the yogurt that you buy from the store. This is the one I used lemon, so the second one looks great. I like this one. This one tastes really homemade. It's sour, tasty too. The chili one didn't change any color, but let's see. I don't think most people like this one because you can really feel the flavor of chili. So next time, if you don't have yogurt at home, you know what to do. You can try all these 3 different methods before you run out of plain yogurt. It's very healthy and safe to give it to your children too. So give this technique a try and see how you like it. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.